In this version of KanBo, we have also improved the Outlook app. So if you want to attach an email to an existing card, like this one, where you already have some information stored. So now, when you do that, you can see that when we want to add to a card, and we choose the board, we choose the list, and we choose the card, you see now the Outlook app is loading the existing values, like the user, the labels, the status. You can now see what are the values in the card already in Outlook. That was not the case before. And another improvement is when you now decompose the email, you convert it into a card in KanBo. Let's do it here now, like create a new card, import Gantt, list, Polska. You see it's already pre-filled the name of the card out of the subject. Now this is new, you can select a template if there are card templates in this board. Now you can also choose the status, which is also new, you can not start it. You can obviously select and deselect which files out of the email you want to attach to the card. You can choose labels, of course. You can already add some elements, like for example I want to add this piece as a note. So I just go here and I create a note out of it, or I take this and create a to-do list out of it. That's all possible. So let's now add the card out of this email. We have also speed up this process a little. So now let's have a look at the card that we have just created. So here you can see all the elements that we have set. We have set the status, we have set the labels. Here we have the notes and the to-do list, and we also have here the files. So the Power BI file is here. This is this one, and we have the email, which we can also open from here, which will be rendered. And something that is also new and it was requested, that we also display who sent the email, when, to whom, and also DCC is now displayed.